So guys, we have signed up with WhatsApp Business. Now it's time to understand the interface of WhatsApp Business application. Right? There's two types of WhatsApp application on Play Store. If you go on Play Store and search WhatsApp over here, you will see that you do get two types of application. The first one is WhatsApp Messenger and the second one is WhatsApp Business. Let me just type here business, and this is the second application, right? Now I do have this second application over here. Now I'll show you the difference, I mean the basic interface overview, and I'll show you how you can set up your store and use all the business tools available in this application, right? So let me just open the application. This is how the interface looks like. There are four options: chat, calls, updates and tools, right? So first three options are pretty normal, which you get in WhatsApp Messenger, the personal application, in the personal application as well, where you can see your chats, your recent calls history, and then the updates, where you can see your contacts status, and you can see different channels as well if you have followed someone, right? Now after these three options, first, second and third, you get this tools option where multiple options are there, right? So from here you can manage your business on WhatsApp application basically. Now before explaining you the tool section, let me just go to chats option again, and let me just click on this three dot icon in the top right hand side corner. Here you can see advertise option, business tools. If you click on business tools, you will land on these kind of applications. I'll explain you all these things. Then you do have new group option, new broadcast option. Basically if you want to create a new group or new broadcast, you can click here. Then you get the communities option. If you click here, you'll be able to see the communities which you can create on WhatsApp as well, right? Then we do have labels. I'll explain you the labels, and then link devices. If you want to link this WhatsApp account on your PC, basically what if you want to use WhatsApp on WhatsApp web, then you can use this option. You can just click on link a device and you'll be able to scan the QR code which is showing on your PC, and you will be able to link. Then starred messages is basically the messages you have starred, and then the orders option is here because you can create a store on your WhatsApp business application as well. So if you are creating a store, obviously you'll be able to manage the orders as well, right? Then you do have these settings, basically the account settings, where you can manage your profile, then your business tools, right? Now let's go back and directly click on the business tools option. So when you click on business tools, the first one is business profile, then catalog. Catalog is for, as I told you, if you want to create your store, obviously you need to create a catalog where you'll be listing all your products or services sometimes, right? Then you can manage your orders from here. Then we do have this advertise option because not Facebook exactly, WhatsApp exactly offers you to advertise your business on Meta's different platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So what Meta allows you, you can promote this kind of ad. Basically your ad goes here. Basically here you can add the image. Let me show you how this works. If you click here, you will be able to open your camera or video basically. So you can select your photos, not camera, you can select a photo or a video available in your mobile phone, and you can promote that image. And when the user click on the button, this is the WhatsApp button, they will land on your WhatsApp business. So basically they'll be able to directly contact you if you advertise through this option, right? From here you can connect your Insta and Facebook account. As you can see, my Facebook page and Instagram account is not connected. Facebook page is connected already, right? I'll explain you all these things as well, but let's talk about the business tools properly first. Let's talk about the business profile first. So what you can do is you can set up your business profile. You can set up the cover image by directly capturing the image from camera, or you can select the gallery. For example, if I select camera, I do have the logo in front of me. So as you can see, this is the logo. I'll select this like this, and what I can do is I can select this image and I can use this image as my cover image, something like this. Even I can select my profile picture. Here I do have three options: avatar and gallery and cameras. Again, I'll open the camera. If you have image in your gallery, you can select that as well. There's no issue. Let me select this, capture this and just select this image like this, and my profile picture or profile image and my background, or you can say the cover image, is done. You can set the name of yours. Basically, you can enter the business name over here. For example, I'm entering Marketing Fundas Global. This is the name, this is the number business name I have entered. Now it is asking your business name will be changed to this. Just hit the continue button and your business name is changed, right? Even you can set up these things while creating your business profile, right? So you can do that time as well. Otherwise you can leave or skip those part, and after that you can properly set up these things. Then second option is for category. You can select the category, like whatever the category you are in, you can select it. We do have automobile, services, apparel, art and entertainment, beauty, cosmetics. Tons of options are here. I've selected marketing agency already, right? Then I can select enter the business address over here. So I'm adding F12. Added F12. Basically I've entered the address, and you can just hit the save button and your address will be saved. Then you can select your website. So basically whatever the website URL you have, in my case I do have marketingfundas.com, right? So I've selected this and just hit the save button, and this is how it's done. You can set your email address, a brief description about your business, and your business opening hours. You can select that as well. Basically your business hours, right? So these options can be added in order to customize your business details. And then we do have this product option, where right now I don't see anything because we haven't added any product. So we'll add the product as well. Let me go back and let me go to catalog, and from here we'll select a product, right? So let me just click on add new product here. From here you can select the image. You can either go with your direct camera, or you can select an image from gallery as well. Again, I'll select from camera and I'll select this just for the demo purposes, right? You can select multiple images if you want, but I'm going with only one. And here I'm selecting basically the item name. So whatever the product you provide, you can select here. So in our case, we provide services. So I'm writing here digital marketing service. Right here you can set the pricing, whatever the pricing you offer. For example, you take $500 for your digital marketing service, and here you can provide a brief description like what you are going to provide in this service, right? And then you can if you want, you can hide this item in future if you want, or you can leave it. Obviously if we are creating right now, we don't want to hide this, but if in future you want to hide this product or service or this listing, you can just check this box, right? And then just hit the save button and your one product has been created. So in the same way you can create multiple products, right, or multiple services. It is taking a little bit more time to save the data. So guys, as you can see, my one product has been created. In the same way you can create multiple products, right? And even if you want to share your catalog to your existing customers, what you can do is you can just click on this link, basically the share link option, and copy this link and directly share to your contacts, right? Now let me go back my order, I mean my one product has been created. Now if you go to business profile, you will be able to see one of your product in your product options, right? Now after this, this is the order section, where if you get any order, you will see the order option or the order request over here, right? So this is the order request and the history. Now let me go back, and then after this we do have a reach and more customers. So I've already explained you how this thing works. Basically, if you want to create a new ad, something like this, right? So it has already picked up my profile picture in order to run my ad. So what I can do is, if you want, you can change the media as well. You can change this image to different thing, right? And you can run this ad on Facebook and Instagram. And if someone clicks on this ad, they will directly land on your WhatsApp, and they'll be able to message you, like if they want to know more about your product or service, right? So this is how you can reach more and more customers.